tractor. White with gray buckets, seats, rubber floor, power push button transmission, air brakes, Volvo 12.1 diesel, clean. It shows 614,595 miles. That's exempt. That's super low miles for an 08 tractor, guys. Go ahead, Keith. Okay, guys, push button automatic. That's a nice tandem drive road tractor. Here we go. Any play on that, Joe? How about $5,000? How about $5,000 for an 08 this time? How about $5,000 a five? Only 600,000 miles on it. How about $5,000 a five? How about $5,000 How about $5,000 and $5,000? How about $5,000 and $5,000? And we're five. Somebody give me a number. How much? How about for 2002? How about 2000? On the road tractor too. How about 2002? And over 2000. You gotta be over that, guys. That's a nice clean away with only 600,000 on it. How about $2,000 to 2? How about 2000 and 2000? 2, yes. Now 3. I get 2 the minute. I'm asking for 3, 3, 3. 2 the minute. I'm 3, 3. I'm 25. 2 next 25. I'm 25. 2 next 25. I'm 25. 2 next 25. I'm 25. 8 25. 25. And 25. And 2,000 minutes. Next 25. How about 2250? And 25. I'm 25. And 22 and a half online. I'm asking for 27 and a half. That's 27 and 27 and 27 and 25 the bid. I'm asking 27 and 27 and 27 and 27 and 27 and 27 going once. And 27 now 3,003. Now 3,000 and 3,003. Yes, and 3 now 3,250. How about 3,250 and 3,250 and half now 3,250 and 3,250. Now 3,250 going once. 32 and a half, 32 and a half, and 3250 going twice. And last call 3250, last call 3250, and sold at 3,000. Thank you, number 402, number 402. Backup is online.